Good morning. How are you doing today? Hope you are doing well. My name is Victor Quajer, your business success coach and consultant. And once again, I come here with a business building blocks episode 19 for 2023. All right. So, as you're aware, we have been on a journey of exploring how to identify business opportunities from anywhere in the world. Today is the 10th episode of that series, and is that I've already shared 9 ways, and today is the 10th way of how to identify opportunity new in the world. Now, this book, which is my latest book, Opportunities in the New Economy and Beyond, is a book from which I have been sharing most of these ways from. There are 30 ways, so there are 20 more ways in this book that you've not yet explored. So I will encourage you to get your copy from any of the major bookseller platforms around the world, both e-book and paperback. Amazon, Barnes and Nobles, Nooks, Kobo, Apple Books, Google Play, anywhere in the world, you can get a copy of this book. Just go online, type in my name or the title of the book, and match them, and that should be able to bring the book up for you to. And once you get it and you read it, please don't hesitate to put your review under the platform that you purchase this book from. All right, so let's go into today's the 10th episode for how to identify opportunities, and that is funding other people's ideas. So another exciting source of business ideas and opportunities is investing or funding other people's ideas. You may be someone who has resources but no time to get involved in the day-to-day running of the business. You could make available your cash to others to turn their ideas into valuable businesses and share in the profits. You don't have to always start it by yourself and own it alone. There are so many people at both ends, interestingly. There are those with great ideas but no resources. And there are those with plenty of cash sitting in their bank accounts, earning next to nothing by way of interest, with the banks investing it for their own gain and charging all sorts of fees on the money that you have given to them. And it is, however, very important to professionally evaluate the person behind the business, the vision, and the long-term economic viability of the business idea. Well, I hope this sets you thinking and gives you another pathway to becoming a business owner. Thank you once again. Like I said, you can get this book, and there are 20 more and so many other quality, rich information to help your entrepreneurial journey. This book is making waves, and many people are attesting to the fact that it has helped them, inspired them, equipped them to help them to start the entrepreneurial journey. And you don't want to miss out on it. It's got so much information in it. All right, so just before you guys, as a business coach and consultant, I am always available and willing to help you to explore opportunities, evaluate them, write a business plan, start your business, grow an existing business, look for ways to grow the business, build system structures, and even find funds for your business. So if you need help in any of these areas, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. And also, I'm very excited once again to let you know our business building podcast is soon to be launched. Get ready for it. It's going to be very informative. It's going to be very educational. It's going to be very inspiring. And I'll be sharing so much in-depth knowledge with you to help entrepreneurial journey as well as other areas of life, leadership, and so many other areas. All right. And lastly, if 2023 is a year you desire to become a writer and a publisher, an author and a publisher, an author and a published author, do not hesitate to take advantage of our upcoming book writing workshop, which is just tomorrow, 28th of January. Tomorrow, 28th of January at 8 p.m. GMT. It's an online event, so you just will be at the comfort of your home, but you need to register now. You need to register now.